Whatever we do, it makes sense to understand why we do it, and also to know what we are doing and how we are doing that. The last one is about processes. When planning events or event productions, there are two important things I want to point out. Core planning and planning progress. Let's start with the core planning. Super important if we stage any bigger events, because usually there are several persons to be involved in event planning as well. In general, a good way to organize an organization is to name all key roles and responsibilities for each customer group, each operational function, and each venue. Ideally, this document should have made already in our master planning phase prior to event planning. In my mind, there are two rules to follow when core planning anything. First, we should all make the same plan from the start. It makes no sense to try to work separately and then attach different plans together. It's a recipe for confusions, misunderstandings, and missing plans. And second, it's essential that planning is organized properly in terms of responsibilities for planning work, confirming plans and approving plans. Planning our events is not planning compromises. It's finding the best possible way to make our customers happy with the resources we have. Personally, in the beginning of planning process, I like to keep planning team as small and agile as possible. At first, only the ones who are responsible for customer experience of a certain customer segment contribute first to event design and then to production plan. And after the first planning round is ready, I like to break again. Break production plan into smaller pieces according to structure of my event team and share those mini plans for comments, improvements, and remarks. For example, I filter all plans related to specific venues for my people responsible and working with those. Same for different product categories and persons responsible and working with those. I deliver our requirements for staff to our HR and certain steps for people working in just those, and so on. Everyone will contribute primarily to areas they are experts or are personally directly involved. That's core planning at its best, using the same tools, same approach, and same playbook for making a great event plan. The second one was planning progress. I wanted to point out. Events are projects, and projects have always clear start and end point. Same with all different phases and tasks like event planning. In my projects, event planning starts the moment our master plans are confirmed and ends at the moment we put our plans in practice. Basically, we move tasks for preparation. As executive producers, event directors, or such positions, we are always very interested in knowing how we are doing. Personally, I want to know how we are progressing in our planning work as well. I'm a big fan of dashboards where I can see our progress with one look. Creating such a system has even more great qualities like identifying all the steps we need to take in our planning work. By monitoring these, we get confident that we are not missing anything in our plans. Other thing that I monitor during event planning includes the usage of our own event inventory regarding venues, products, event staff, and support services. Furthermore, I am interested to see the progress in planning with different customer groups and stages and steps linked to those. Finally, my event progress monitoring includes getting key data from production plans. I like to secure that we have really planned everything in terms of combining our event resources to event design.